Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the general characteristics of plant biodiversity. Now, when we talk about the plant biodiversity and the origin of plants, about 445 million years ago, the oceans were filled with vast number of fishes, mollusks, and other crustaceans, along with microscopic algae and the large seaweeds, which are also a type of algae. Now, during the next 30 million years, this is a time period known as the Silurian period. Plants were successfully, they came out of these water or aquatic ecosystem, and they successfully colonized the land, and they were they became so abundant in numbers. Now, uh, those plants which are present in today, they exhibit great diversity in size, in form, as well as habitat. Biologists hypothesize that they all evolved from a common ancestor, and that is ancient green algae. Now, the reason why scientists believe that they all originate from a common ancestor is because the green algae, it shares many biochemical as well as metabolic traits which resemble with the modern plants. Now, uh, green algae, red algae, and plants, collectively they are classified as plants. Now, when we talk about the biodiversity of plants, it provides a resource for food in crops as well as medicines. Uh, as seed plants, they maintain very important close symbiotic relationship with animals because plants are blessed with the process of photosynthesis, and they have the ability to synthesize their own food, while on the other hand, animals cannot synthesize their own food. So they live in a symbiotic coexistence in which both can benefit each other in one way or the other, and both can the survival of both plants and animals depend on each other's. The disappearance of a single plant can lead to extinction of many connected animal species because these animals are they are these plants are the major source of food for those animals, and in return the animals can be act as pollinator for these plants and help them in the disperse or dissemination into the ecosystems. Now, plant biodiversity is very important because it helps in balancing the ecosystems. It helps in the protection of water bodies. It helps to minimize or mitigate the soil erosion, and it moderates the climate and act as a shelter for the animals. The major threat to these plant diversity that include increasing human population, pollutions as a result of industrialization and other processes, deforestation, and extinction of many species which could be in symbiotic relationship with many plant species. So this shows that this plant biodiversity is a very important component of ecosystem which helps it in the balancing.